customer came in to do his wheel balance up. Right?
Don't you usually balance the wheels?
Right, but I usually balance the wheels using the machine. But in this case, the machine is broken. So I don't know how to use the old school style.
You don't know how to use this
Yes.
device. That's fine, I can teach you. Just use what you usually use when balancing a wheel. Your stick-on weights, a pair of cutting pliers, and a cleaning rod. So, the first thing is to take the balancing shaft and put it through the wheel. Take the center cone off and put it through the wheel. Here.
You mean like this? So you mean like this in the middle?
Yes, just like that.
Okay, so what's next?
The next step is you take the centering cone
Alright,
and put it right through the shaft.
into the shaft. Okay,
Then you pick up the wheel
okay, like this.
and put the shaft between the bearings.
Between the bearings.
Yes.
Alright, like this.
Yes, that is correct. What you would want to do next is you want to spin the tire slowly. Just slightly push it.
Slightly push it.
Yes,
Slightly push.
just like that. Now as you can see, the wheel will spin back and the heaviest part of the wheel will be on the bottom.
So the top is the light one.
Yes, the top part is the lightest.
Okay, the lightest.
Now take your marking tape and mark the lightest spot.
Lightest. Okay, and right here.
Now the next step is you take this rod
Alright.
and you clean that part of the rim.
Which part?
The lightest part.
Lightest one. Okay.
Yes, you can pull it towards you.
Oh, towards me.
Yes, that's easier. Yes, just like that.
Okay, so what's next?
Next is you put the weights on as usual.
So what I usually do, just cut some weights and pull the sticker and put at the mark that you mark on the rim, like here.
Okay, now give it a light spin.
Just a light spin.
Just a light spin. See, it came back to the lightest part. Which means you need more weights.
I need more weights.
Yes.
Okay, so let's do 2 more weights and put just side on the weight that you already put. Alright, so let's give it a spin, just like this spin.
That's it. Now the wheel is balanced. Now that we got that done,
Okay.
please rewind back what I taught you.
Okay, I will rewind, but you taught me how to balance this tire. So, first of all, you need to put the balancer shaft in the middle of the rims and take the shaft, put on the between these bearings.
Bearings, yes.
Alright. Okay, so the next step is you have to find the heavy spot and the lightest spot.
How would you do that?
So you just push this rim slightly and you will see the rim is going to backwards. Will turn back. So you have to wait until it stops. Okay, so the rim is already stopped, so the lighter spot is on the top and the heavy spot is on the bottom.
Right. So now we know which is the heaviest and lightest.
Yes.
What's the next step?
The next step, we have to mark where the lighter spot. So we just mark here with the tape, and we take the clean rags and clean the rims. So we clean the place that we want to put the weight.
Why would you clean it? Can't you just stick it on right away?
No, because the rim is dirty.
Alright.
So you have to remove all the dust.
So it
on the
sticks
rim.
better.
Yeah, it will stick
Alright.
better. So just take the weight and place on the mark. So you just have to see it will balance or not. So we just slightly push, and as you can see, the weight is turned back because
It's not heavy enough.
yes, it's not heavy enough. So we just repeat the same thing.
And add more weights.
Yes,
Alright.
and add more weight. Okay, we have 2 weights, so just do the same thing. Push slightly.
And now the wheel is balanced.
Yes.
Okay.
So the wheel is already balanced. So you already know. Now the wheel is balanced. So we can put on the bike. So we can use it.
So the bike is well balanced.
Yeah.
And you can ride safely.
Yeah,
Alright.
that's what I mean.